Hey folks, we're here today to do another Russound unboxing video, and today we're here to talk about our flagship SMZ8 controller. This thing is amazing. I'm really excited to take this out, tell you about it. Did you want to do it? Because I kind of wanted to open it.
We're gonna rock, paper, scissors for it?
Whatever. Okay, let's do it.
I'm gonna do it.
Whatever. Okay,
Perfect.
You got it. You got it. All right, so first thing, what do you got here?
We're going to take a look at every unit comes with a manual. This is the latest manual. You can also get the latest version of the manual by accessing this QR code, which will send you right to our website.
Cool.
For additional documentation. Here's where you can find all the components to
the accessory box.
Yeah. Included in here, we have the power cable, the most important.
Yep.
We have the antenna for the Wi-Fi, because this unit, unlike past multi-zone units that we've had, it can actually connect to the Wi-Fi.
Oh, that's very cool.
Yeah, and it also helps with the internal Bluetooth.
Right,
Yeah,
exactly.
absolutely.
So you want to make sure to connect those.
And then we have the included rack ears and also the speaker connectors, which I believe are compatible with other amplifiers.
Yeah, the D-series amplifiers, those also work with that. Awesome. All right, help you out here.
This is eco-friendly packaging, I believe.
Yes, it is.
Totally recyclable.
All right, I'll help you here with this.
Perfect.
It's pretty heavy.
It's pretty heavy.
Ta-da! Very nice.
Yeah, beautiful design. Have the Russound on the bezel on the front here, and these actually look very similar, and if not identical, to the other amplifiers that we currently
Yeah, it's
have.
the new industrial design we're using on all our products, and it gives everything a really nice look. Like this is our D75 amplifier, and as you can see, it's an exact match.
Yeah, everything's going to match
this control amplifier.
Yeah, everything's going to match really well on the rack. Turn this unit around here, and what are some of the new features that we have on the back here?
So we have the new HDMI ARC input, so that you can control your, so when you plug in your TV into this, you can actually use your TV remote to control the audio. So you can kind of bypass this control just to make it very easy for customers.
It's really convenient, yeah. And then we also have the streamer out for the embedded streamer, like we had on the old MCA88X. But the streamer module in this is the MBX module. That's also in that unit as well, right?
Exactly. Yeah. And that streamer out is to go to the next SMZ. So if you actually have a couple of these, you want to link the streamers together for all the SMZs. So the streamer output is used for that. So that's definitely new.
Yeah, I see these are for the antennas.
Yep, that's for your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth antennas there.
Perfect. And I see there's past controllers we've had have only had one optical input, and there's 3 of them on this one.
Yep. Excellent.
And then we have a port directly for our external Bluetooth module, the BTC2X.
Awesome. There's also the new input for your Ethernet here. There's actually 2 ports now, so you can daisy chain SMZ8s together, or you can use it for like an MBX.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Can you still use those when this is connected to the Wi-Fi, or is it?
No, it's really designed strictly for wired networks.
Perfect.
Awesome. Well, there you have it. SMZ8. We're going to show in our next video how to set it up.
Yeah, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for any additional videos coming out in the future.
All right, we'll see you. Bye now.